Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the world of wireless audio with the Apple Airpods second generation. Let's unpack why these earbuds are more than just a trend. They're a lifestyle. First up, let's talk about that legendary Apple magic. With the powerful Apple H1 headphone chip, these AirPods deliver a premium sound experience that's rich and immersive. But wait, it gets even better. Setting up these bad boys is as easy as a single tap. Once paired, they're always ready to rock, automatically connecting to your Apple devices the moment you pop them in your ears. And speaking of convenience, let's not forget about Siri. With just a voice command, you can access all your favorite tunes, make calls, or even get directions without lifting a finger. Now let's talk endurance. With over 24 hours of total listening time thanks to the charging case, these AirPods are ready to keep up with your busiest days. And here's a cool bonus feature: audio sharing. Easily share your favorite beats with a friend by connecting two sets of AirPods to your iPhone, iPad, or even Apple TV. So, there you have it, folks. The Apple AirPods second generation. Easy to use, reliable, and still going strong after years of use. Whether you're a seasoned Apple enthusiast or new to the wireless audio game, these earbuds are sure to impress. Thanks for tuning in.